Oh, you guys. Oh, it's here. And it's snowing pretty good, so. Um. Whatever. They say it's supposed to be bad, but I don't know. This is crazy, you guys. I'll post more videos as the storm goes on if you guys want me to. So, for those of you who drive safe, and watch out for slippery roads and all that. Good stuff. So, if you want me to post more, just let me know. I'll probably do it anyways. I got nothing better to do. So, yeah. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.